Hey guys, welcome to another iPhone 6s Plus tutorial. So now that you have started your phone and you can get into the main menu, we can talk about some of the main features of iPhones. And the first thing is, if you want to turn off the Wi-Fi or anything like that, you would drag up from the bottom. And here are the things you can turn on and off. So we have a turn off 3G, 4G internet, and that's that button there. You can turn on airplane mode over here, which disables everything else. You can turn on the Wi-Fi. You can turn on or off the Bluetooth. Now, the interesting thing about Wi-Fi and Bluetooth is that if you turn them off, it'll only be disconnected until tomorrow. So if you turn these off, then tomorrow when you turn on the phone again, these will be back on again. But with your 3G, 4G internet, you can turn it on, turn it off, and it'll stay like that. And obviously here is the brightness, which I turned down. Here is the torch button. Here is if you want the TV to show your phone screen. So then it looks for your Apple TV. So I don't want that. Then you've got the do not disturb mode on and off. You got the portrait orientation lock if you want to lock the orientation. You got the sound. You can go into your calculator, or you can go into your camera, or access your location. Will be tagged with the location. I don't really care if people know where I am, so I'm just going to allow that. But you don't have to allow it. And then this one is a timer. Okay, so these are the 4 common apps, I guess. So yeah, instead of dragging down from the top like in your Android, you drag up from the bottom.